Yeah, mesh current analysis. Yeah, so this is the one, okay, usually syllabus kept in second year electrical branches. Now we will see how to solve these mesh currents I1, I2, I3. So directly it is given itself, no need to create. The problem itself they are mentioned. These are the three mesh currents I1, I2 and I3. Determine these mesh currents. Yeah, by the observations, here there is a one voltage source in the mesh 1 and another voltage source. Yeah. So, but mesh 2, there are no sources, no voltage sources. But again, coming to this third mesh or loop, there is a one voltage source of 6 volts. So, we will see how to write this mesh equations and how can we solve these mesh currents. And even once we solve these mesh currents I1, I2, I3, we can directly calculate the branch currents. For example, the current flowing in this 1 ohm. For example, in this case, it is the difference of, because I1 is flowing in this I2. So this is a I1 minus I2 is the current flowing in this. Similarly, what about this current in the 2 ohm? It is a simply I2 only. So in this way, we can determine. Yeah, coming to this, okay, first mesh, how to write the mesh equations here. Uh, Here it is a 1 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, and through 3 batteries are there. And coming to this 1 ohm, in this 1 ohm, I1 and I2 both are flowing. So that's why 1, and because I'm taken the directions, first I'm writing the mesh 1 here, and I1 and I2 are opposite here. So I am taken it as I1 minus I2. Next, there is a 2 ohm resistor is there. Again, I1 and I2, sorry, here I3 it is. I1 minus I3. And when it coming to this, it reaches the positive terminal of the battery. So that's why I written as 6 volts. And again, it come to this negative terminal of the battery, minus 7 volt. Yeah, I will simplify here. 1 I1, 2 I1, that is a 3 I1, minus I2, 2i3, minus 2i3, 6 minus 7 is a 1, minus 1 I taken to the right side here. Similarly, coming to this second mesh, okay, here no voltage source, only 1 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm. Yeah, uh, 2i2, I just start like this. 3, I2 and I3 are again opposite directions. 3, I2 minus I3 plus 1, because now I am in a mesh 2, it is I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. Yeah, then simplification, because first I have to write a order wise I1, I2, I3. So minus I1, 2i2, 3i2, 6i2 minus 3i3 is equal to 0. This is the third mesh equations. And next go for a third mesh equation. This is the second one, what we written second. Third loop or third mesh. This is a mesh here. Okay. Here we have a 1 voltage source here. Yeah, 3, I will start from this resistance. 3, I3 minus I2, because now I am in a mesh 3 and I3 and I2 are in opposite directions. And coming to this 2, 2 I3 minus I1 and 1 I3, and going to reach a negative terminal of the battery, minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus simplification, minus 2I1 minus 3I2 plus 6I3 is equal to 6 also when I take it to the right. So 1, 2, 3. These are the three simultaneous equations. I written here 3I1, I2, I3 minus I1, 6I2. Yeah, 0. Yeah, so these are, we have to solve these three simultaneous equation. While solving, okay, we are getting a 3 ampere, 2 ampere and 3 ampere. And directly we can solve using Cramer's rules or calculator also. Present today, all calculators are support. So that's why I have prepared one YouTube video also, how to solve such simultaneous equation. You will click on this link so that you will get to know how to solve a simultaneous equation. And even the shortcut, what I have written, these simultaneous, these three equations, are they correct or not? We can cross check here. First, I will go to this loop here. Total resistance in this mesh is 2 plus 1, 3, 3i1, and this 1 is common. Yeah, there is a minus i2 and minus 2i3. 6 minus 7 here, that is 1 volt. Yeah, in this way. Coming to the second one, 1 ohm resistor, that is only one i1 is flowing. And while coming to the i2, 2 plus 3 plus 6 i2. Yeah, and this is a 3, i3 is flowing, minus 3 is equal to 0. Yeah, there are no voltage sources here. And coming to this here, first I have to write i1 order way. This is a 1 ohm resistor shared with i1, minus 2i1, and this is a 3 ohm resistor and opposite to this i3. Yeah, 3i2 minus 3i2, summation of this 3 plus 1 plus 6. In this way also we can cross check the final equations.